Good AM. Today is Tuesday, November 21, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 21, 2023, Tuesday. Here are the STL Sur 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.